السلام عليكم هاي عملت فيديو إنه private بس هلا now today I'll show you how to make a platformer. So let's make a new sprite. This is Scratch 3.0, but I just watched the video to make it to look like Scratch 1.4. Make a new costume. Use the first one, make a new sprite and draw a rectangle, a square with with no outline. Now this is gonna be simple. Now if you want, now we might add some player move, like some player animation, but maybe that could be for another episode of episode 1. We'll be teaching you how to make good player movement and how to do horizontal, vertical player collision. And then next episode we'll cover how to make it more levels, and then we'll show you how to make uh how to add, I don't know, like maybe player animation, like I said. Okay, make a new sprite named level and make your level. Okay, once you're done, go to the to the level sprite. One flag clicked. Go to 0, 0. Now player. I want to zoom in. I like zooming in while doing code. One flag clicked. Go to no. You could choose these. If you want, my position is gonna be -50 and 150. We'll pause the video. Okay, let's just continue. Okay. Let's just run the project. So it is how about -100? There we go. Wait a little bit again. Okay, let's just continue. So many things are annoying me in here. Okay, anyways, let's just keep mine 150. That's better. Good. Okay. Now let's make it fall. Now let's make it fall to the ground. Now forever. Now some people used to do like this, but that is way not good. But because when you fall, uh, the more the longer you fall, the faster you're falling at. So make a new variable speed y for the sprite only because it's this player speed. It's 0 at the beginning, and then change speed y by -1 before after changing y by -1, and replace the -1 with speed y. And now there, fall fast. Oh, I forgot. Also add a go to front block here. That makes good measure there. Now, how we make it stop? This is way, this is simple. But there is one thing. Let's just fix it. In some game, when I saw tutorials of making platforms, I saw that if they were repeatedly falling, their speed would go too fast. So let's pick a limit. They never did this. I don't remember any video having this limit. There. If you open this, you will see it never gets that far. Now let's add a way to like stop collisions. Add this. Fix. Wait, no, it's move. I know tutorial how to do this. How to do good things. Move and steps. Input steps. Without screen refresh. Add it here. And it's depending on apps of speed y. Let's go here. Repeat steps. Now we're gonna do X movement, so later, so we have to split it up. Y collision. It's right. Oh, it's right. Correct. Put it here. Now we have to make a new variable. Last value. This is very useful, but I don't know what it is. Set last value to the current y position, and then chain speed y by speed y divided by steps. So, wait, yeah, thing happened. Speed y divided by, we need that we can use input speed step. Let's go back to where we put the steps there, and then we put the steps here. Now, if we were touching the level, now one thing, we go back here and remove this. No longer needed. If we're touching the level, as if touching level, then we set speed y 0, but before that we set y, not the speed y, set y to the last value. Now let's see what happened. Oh wait, what happened? Huh? I wonder what went wrong. It's supposed to work. I'm pretty sure I did everything correct. What's the problem? Hold on, what did I do? Here, abs of speed y. Yeah, I think it's maybe because I'm doing it separate. Try like this. Okay, okay, I'm gonna pause the video right here to see what's the matter. Okay, I had a look at the video. I did something wrong. We should actually just change y by -1 here. Big mistake. Why won't it go? Big mistake, I mean. But yeah, the problem is that actually you should actually change y by speed y divided by 10. I mean speed y times by steps, not sets, not changing the change y. I think it should work. Wait, what the? Okay, now there's a problem. Oh, this change y, I think. What? Super confused. I think it's this limit. I don't even know what is happening. What is wrong with the speed y? Wait here. Okay, anyway, let's just continue. Let me see what's the problem. I am really, I don't know what's happening. So we set like this. Wait, let me watch the video again. Okay, I paused the video because I actually had to, I think I actually had to close my laptop, and this is the next day. I just came back from school, and I found what was the problem. You should, I think you should take this way. I'll think what's the problem. Yeah, this baby. I think you should, I think just add, wait, change y by speed y divided by steps. Okay, I'm just trying to figure out what's the problem. I wonder why speed y is always like that. It's changed by 1, by -1. There, okay, they fixed it. If it's now, it should work. There, okay. It sometimes doesn't work, but at least you know it does. It does. Okay. Now the next thing is to add the ability to jump. We don't need that. The ability to jump, we're actually I remember there's a bug that's not that many, a few scratches for don't do. And it's alright. Make a new variable called falling for the sprite only. Set falling to be at the beginning of the game to 99. I'll tell you why later. Now, if I'm gonna use three ors, two ors. If the space key is pressed, or the mouse is down, that's just the mouse clicked, or the finger pressed, or the up arrow key is pressed. Or again another or. And you know what? I want to make something, or the W key is pressed. No, I don't want to make that. I don't want to make it today. I want to make it right now. I want a control Y for all sprites. Set it to 0. Now we'll add it here. And then set control Y to this item, this tall thing. Subtract by 1. If you show it, and then you, oh wait, guys. Okay, let's just continue. Now this means if you're, I think, no, subtract -1. No, subtract 0. So now if you press the up, W, space, or click on the screen, it should turn into 1. That's good. Now, if control Y is greater than 0, but also add another one. If falling is less than, now that means you can only jump in 2 frames after you jump off. This prevents from jumping again and again. Make a new variable called jump force. Well, right. Now I'm doing a falling less than 3 because this is allowing for coyote jumps. And that makes your game less frustrating. So set jump force to like at least 13. And then here, set speed Y to jump force. Like, okay. Oh wait, I forgot. We should have now it doesn't jump because we haven't done falling. You do here. Set falling, change falling by 1. And I think, yeah, also I forgot. We should also be changing, we should also set the falling here to 0. That means when we touch the ground. And there you go. Next thing is walking. No, I want to separate one thing. I want to separate the blocks. So let's just make it neat. Let's take off everything from the forever loop. And these green flag flicked blocks will be here. Make a new block called reset and begin game. Don't click the without screen refresh because that will lag the game. As we're gonna use a forever loop in a broadcast, which will make it lag so much. Reset and begin game on the flag and put this forever loop outside, and make a new broadcast. Make a new message. Name it. Oh, name it. What is it called? Oh yeah, game loop. Receive game loop. Here's a game loop. And then you should go to broadcast game loop. Now let's put move player. Really no screen refresh. That's okay for now. And put it in there. Now, what should we do? Now let's make them. Put this move in steps there. Separate this and make new block called move in Y. Don't have screen refresh. Put it in here. And also make a new variable called control. Don't have screen refresh. And that is because you know what it is. We don't need the set controls here. We put it here. And we put in that new controls button. Put it here. And now and if we run the project, you'll find everything is the same as before. Only we made it a lot neater. Now let's add in walking. We're gonna make a new block named move in X. And before we forget, we should add the variables for it. So let's make a new variable called speed X for the sprite only. Let's go back to the setup here. Set speed X to 0. We should make another new variable called control X. And set control X to 0. Set control X and put the subtract, and on the right put the 0, you know this. Here you put, now let's see, what are the keys? We have right arrow, the D key, and that's it. Okay, right arrow or D. Right arrow or D. So we only need these. Right arrow or D. Let's test. Let's see. To always make sure things work. Oh, that's control Y, not control X. And right there, D there. Okay, correct. No, but now we also, uh, we want to do here. We should also continue. Subtract from left arrow or the A key. A minus 1, left arrow minus 1, right left. Okay, that's good. Time to do this. Now we should do the controlling. I put this. I want to make another neat thing. Make a new variable called gravity. For all sprites, remove these. So just hide these variables. Change this by gravity and set in when beginning the game. Set gravity to how much you want. Say minus 0.5, and that will make us jump half. So look what will happen. Boing. 0.1. That will make us fall slower, but fast, but a long jump. But minus 1 is perfect. There. Let's add the ability to jump. Okay, this is way too easy. But wait, before that, also we're always forgetting this. We need to do this. Put them in order. X. I'm gonna use Scratch add-ons for this. X. Just make them everything like this. Copy. Set speed X. Don't set falling. Set X. There we go. So now, wait. That's a problem. That's the problem I don't like.
We'll do the same for the right key.
But this is
Whoa! Adapted.
Okay, here it is.
Changing speed X by positive 1.5. That takes care of our player's acceleration, but doesn't actually move them. That we will do down.
Copyright, okay? Get it? Get it? Now we're gonna end the video. Bye bye.